Namaste yoga practitioner. Today we will practicing some arm balancing pose. The first arm balancing pose is a Chaturanga Dandasana. It's a basic fundamental pose of arm balancing. For that we're using one strap, and I will demonstrate you how to do Chaturanga Dandasana by using this strap. So first we will come to kneel down position and then make a lobe with outer tip of the shoulder to the next outer tip of the shoulder width, this much. And then wear this strap on the upper arm, just above the elbow joint. And your palm should be like this. Then placing your palm, spreading your fingertips, take one leg step back, the left leg, and then right leg also. Now slowly start bending the knee and start shifting your body weight towards that strap. As you're sliding forward, your wrist and elbow coming in one line. It makes your Chaturanga Dandasana more easy and controlling your elbow not flying outward. Hold as much as possible. Then again, step by step, dropping the knee down and then come to Vajrasana position. Namaste.